What is going on, guys? Seed germination could take a long time, especially when you're trying to grow stuff with hard seeds like cucumbers, peas, Swiss chard, beets. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 simple methods to cut that germination time in half. Let's get to it. Starting with the first most common method, and that's just soaking your seeds in a cup of water. Now the reason why soaking your seeds works is because the water softens the outer hard shell, so that way the seeds can germinate a lot faster. If you were to put these seeds directly into soil, it's going to take a very long time for the soil and the moisture to penetrate the seed and to loosen up the seed for it to germinate. So by doing this method, it will speed up dramatically. Now move on to the second method, and that's just placing your seed in a wet paper towel, sealing up in a little plastic bag, and then just storing it away for 2 days. So if you look right here, you can see some seeds that I have inside already. Let's go ahead and take it out real quick so you can take a look at what's going on. These seeds have been here for about 2 days now, so let me go ahead and open up real quick to see the results inside. You look closely, oh, look at that. We have a germination right here. Let me pick this up real quick for you to get a closer look. You see, guys, by keeping it in a moist paper towel like that, it does soften up the seed as well and also increases germination time. So this seed right here is actually a lupin seed. And if you look at the back of this package right here, it says lupin takes about 18 to 21 days to emerge. This one took me 2 days, so that's way faster than normal. So this method absolutely works. So give this a try as well. Moving on to option number 3, and that's taking some sandpaper or a filer to sand down your seeds. Now there's a couple ways you can sand down your seed. The easiest method is taking your filer or sandpaper and just go ahead and file down the end of your seed like this. This way, one end of your seed will be much thinner, allowing water to penetrate through much quicker, allowing it to germinate. And the second way you can do it is just put your seed down on top of the sandpaper or filer and just slide it back and forth. This is another way you can thin down the outer hard shell of your seed, allowing it to germinate much quicker. And my fourth and favorite method is actually taking a clipper and just clipping the end of your seeds. Let me show you real quick. So what you want to do is just take the very edge of your seed, go ahead and clip just like that. Now there's a hole in the seed which allows water to penetrate inside the seed, which allows it to germinate much faster. Hopefully you guys found those 4 methods useful in speeding up your own germination. If you did, please leave me a like, subscribe, and remember guys, take it easy.